Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For everyone that is new, my name is C. So if you are new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so you guys can notify whenever I post a new video. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for tuning in and thank you for coming back. Today's video, I am going to be reviewing and doing a look with the new Kylie birthday palette. This is for her 24th birthday. So I had this for a short little minute. I bought it actually the same day it came out, but I'm just finally getting around to doing a review on this palette. I will say shipping was super fast. I didn't get the whole kit or the whole birthday bundle. I just really wanted the palette. That was it. The palette is just gorgeous. First of all, I mean, just look. Like all these beautiful shades. You can't really see it, so I will insert a better picture so you guys can actually see it. But you know, in person, this is amazing. It is gorgeous. So I want to do a nice pretty look with this. So without further ado, let's get into this video. So first shade I'm going in with is Pull Up, which is this tannish brown shade here. I would say this palette is like so far it's super pigmented. There isn't any fallout, so far I'm enjoying it. So now on the same brush I'm going in with 24, which is this kind of like burnt orange shade. So to deepen up my crease, I'm going in with Moments in Time, which is this dark brown shade. And I'm just pretty much putting that on the outer corner. And I'm just patting this color in. Buffing it in. Back in with 24 and pull up just to add the colors back in. So I'm gonna cut the crease, and I think I don't know, because she has so many pretty shimmers in this palette. I'm so torn. So I'm gonna go in with 24, baby. Go in with Exquisite on top for that, which is a pressed pigment. So what I'm gonna do is add some glitter liner. I'm gonna add my NYX glitter gold and crystal ball. And I'm gonna just etch out my cut crease. So this is what we looking like, and I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye, and we'll be right back. Okay, this is what both eyes are looking like, and what I did do off camera, I did add some of the J. LaRue white gold pigment to the inner corner shimmer shade. So you probably can't really see it on camera, but just a extra added effect. So I'ma do my face off camera, and then I'll be back to give my whole complete feel on this eyeshadow palette. Okay guys, so going back in to the palette, I'm going to put Moments in Time and 24 in my lower lash line. And I'm gonna go in with the brown first and then lighten it up with that burnt orange. So guys, this is the finished look. I will say this palette, the whole storyline, the whole just combination of different colors is so beautiful. I am in love. This is my favorite Kylie palette that I have. I don't have too many, but between the ones that I do have, this definitely is my fave. I can definitely see me doing a lot more looks with this palette. Just the cover of this palette, just the detailing, like you can feel like the polka dots or the outfit she has on, you can actually feel it. So like I said, I think definitely a lot of thought and a lot of time was taken to put into just the outer portion of this palette. But again, the color scheme, the colors are just so beautiful. Like, they are so gorgeous. And I can't wait to really dip into that one. That shade. These two shades have really been calling my name. So that'll be something different for me. But again, this palette is gorgeous. It wasn't a lot of like kickback. It wasn't a lot of fallout. She definitely did her thing, especially like rebranding and using different type of products than her previous collection she's ever did on Kylie Cosmetics. So she definitely hit the number with this one. If you guys haven't gotten this palette, if it's still available, I would definitely go ahead and add this to my collection. Again, guys, thank you for tuning into this video. I really appreciate all the love, all the support that I get from you guys, either in the comments or just like on my social media. I really appreciate you all. Again, if you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so you guys get notified whenever I post a new video. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for just rocking with me, and just I really enjoy this. Like, I really enjoy making videos. Like, I just I just like it. But again, thank you guys for tuning in, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.